You're probably wondering which of these two popular page builders is the right choice for your business needs, especially when it comes to creating high-converting landing pages. I've used both, and after testing them side by side, I've got some insights to share. Stay tuned, because I'll be revealing the best alternative at the end. First thing you'll notice with Elementor is how user-friendly it is. It's an intuitive drag-and-drop page builder, which makes it accessible to beginners and experts alike. You don't need to know any code, and it has tons of pre-designed templates to get you started quickly. It's built specifically for WordPress, which means if you're already using WordPress for your website, it's a seamless experience. But that's not to say it's without limitations. One issue is that, while the free version is decent, to unlock the really advanced features, you'll need to go for the paid version. And that brings us to pricing. More on that in a bit. Next thing, let's talk Builderall. It markets itself as an all-in-one marketing platform, and that's where it stands out. Builderall is not just a page builder. It also offers email marketing, CRM, and more. This makes it a great choice if you're looking for an integrated solution. However, the landing page builder itself can feel a bit clunky compared to Elementor. The interface isn't as smooth, and it takes some time to get used to. Also, although the functionality is vast, the sheer number of features can feel overwhelming for new users. The third thing I want to highlight is speed and performance. Elementor typically delivers faster loading times for your landing pages, which is crucial if you want to boost conversion rates. Slow pages are a big turnoff for users, and Elementor tends to optimize its code better than Builderall. Builderall, on the other hand, can sometimes lead to slightly slower performance, especially if you're loading complex, feature-heavy pages. The fourth thing to consider is customization. Elementor really excels here with its advanced design features. You can create highly customized landing pages with precision, even if you don't have any coding knowledge. Builderall's page builder is more limited in the sense. You can design, but it doesn't give you the same level of creative control that Elementor offers, which might be a deal breaker if you're aiming for something unique. When we look at pricing, Elementor's free version is solid, but the paid pro version is required to unlock advanced features like theme building and WooCommerce compatibility. Elementor Pro starts at $59 per year. Builderall, on the other hand, starts at $14.90 per month, which includes access to all their marketing tools, but you'll also have to pay extra for premium features. Lastly, both Elementor and Builderall have great customer support. Elementor has a larger community and a ton of tutorials, making it easier to find help online. Builderall's support is good but not as extensive, and because it's an all-in-one tool, sometimes getting support on a specific landing page issue can be more challenging. Both Elementor and Builderall have their strengths, but after trying them both and weighing the pros and cons, I have to say there's a better option for building high-converting landing pages. If you want a smoother user experience, faster loading speeds, and more customization options, I'd recommend checking out the alternative in the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Give it a try and let me know what you think. It might just be the landing page solution you've been looking for.